how you can change your passcode on your Tonkeeper wallet. Now, our Tonkeeper wallet is just a wallet that you can use for Toncoin's transaction, and Toncoin is just the native cryptocurrency used throughout the open network blockchain. Now, let's just start. First, just open up your Tonkeeper. Now, after you open the app, let it load, and you just type in your passcode, and you should be able to just log in. Now what you're going to do is just tap on the settings on the top right, and after you tap there, just scroll down till you find the security option. Tap on security, and there you will see the option to change the passcode. Tap on change passcode and type in your current password. Now after you do that, you will be able to create a new passcode. Just type in your new passcode and re-enter it for confirmation, and after it matches, your passcode will get changed. It's that simple, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to our channel, just hit the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.